Had some blood tests done, and I'm just waiting to see a doctor. It says the wait time was like 7 hours. I got here in an ambulance. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys after I've been seen by the doctor. But yeah, I'm here in the waiting area. Don't want to hold up the phone because obviously there's people in here. Yeah, I just want to sleep. I wish there was like a bed for me to sleep. There's no one here though. There's no one next to me. I just want to sleep. What a way to start my weekend. It's Saturday morning. 6 hours later, I have been seen. They're thinking about scanning my brain, but yeah, I'll let you guys know what's up with that. I'm a bit scared. I'm just sitting outside waiting for the CT scan. I'm feeling a bit nervous. Like, I don't like being like, I don't even know how the machine looks like. Is it, I know an MRI machine, you go straight through it. I don't know how the CT scanning machine looks like, but I don't like feeling enclosed. And I do have a headache right now. They take some painkillers and stuff, so they're gonna scan my brain. Yeah, basically they're gonna check for, I think it's a brain aneurysm or something, I don't know. When I do all of that, I will let you guys know once I get home and settled. I'll explain everything that happened. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys just updating you and you know what's next and stuff. Life always just finds something to just throw at you. There's always some curveball, you know. Oh my gosh, that was so intense. Chicken sag and Rajasthani dal. I've never had this before, but this is what they gave me to eat while I wait for my CT scan results, which is a whole hour. Hopefully this tastes nice. I'll let you guys know because I've never had this before. They gave me this, a banana, and I have an apple juice. So this is now my room. Oh my god, I've been here forever now. Oh god, let's sit here. Mama? Did he say? Mama. Rivi said mama. You know I started a vlog, Sean was in hospital. Mini vlog. Mama. You hear my chatty son? I'm going home, by the way. My hubby came to pick me up. We're all good. I got my results back from my little CT scan. That scan was intense, Sean. It sounded like I was in, hear me about a machine. I was in a machine, but I meant like a, you know how a washing machine sound? Like, it's,
does it do that too?
It don't do that rough part, Sean. You gotta make everybody know my machine that behaves so bad. But they like, and I could go in with my phone obviously because I taped a little part like in there. And he's like, yep, the phone is fine. So I guess a CT scan and an MRI one is different. I guess, oh, I know where I am now. You know where you are? If you got past this traffic light and just on your right hand side up to the top there, that's which part she live. Yeah, I was a bit nervous because I thought I was gonna be enclosed, but my whole body was out and it's just like a circular thing and just your head gone in there. And then I closed my eyes though. And I was just thinking about all of the radiation, you know? How that sounded. I was like, my gosh, like, yeah. And it was over within like 2 minutes. Didn't take long. MRI scan and all, maybe like 30 minutes. So I thought it would have been like a bit long. Results came in an hour. I don't have a bleeding on my brain. All right, Ravine, go up there. So what happened was I sneezed. And suddenly, like, I got an intense pressure build up right here. So my head was instantly hurting me like a migraine turned up times 10 probably. It was insane. River, you start chatting away when I start vlogging, eh? Yeah, so the pain, it like moved down to my eyes. I could feel something like trickling, if that's a thing, moving from here going all the way down, and it was like a burning sensation. And I called Sean. I was like, Sean, because he went out in the bathroom or kitchen or something. Keep going, no, go straight down. Yeah, and he checked my blood pressure straight away because that pain lasted for a good while. I was like, oh my gosh, what's happening? I was scared. And he checked my blood pressure and it was 176, wasn't it, babe?
174.
What? Oh, not 6? 174?
No, 174 over 120 over 120. So
yeah, so it was bad. And so I called 111, and that's a number that we call in England if you're not here. Instead of 911, we call 111 when it's not like a, we call it imminent, like emergency type of thing. We might have to park. Hold on, you're gonna have to back up a bit.
Nice park, right? So
yeah, it's very nice, isn't it? Yeah.
nice.
So they took all it. They take all your details. So you call 111. They do like a assessment on the phone, and they will tell you whether or not you can go to A&E or the ER. We say A&E, accident and emergency over here in America. I'll say ER. So they took details of my symptoms, all that stuff, and then they said they will call me back, or they would pass my information along to like ambulance services or whatever. And it was like 4 o'clock, wasn't it? We heard the doorbell thing ringing. I was like, really, who's that? So the ambulance crew came. Immediate flashback for me, because you know the last time ambulance crew came to my house, I was in labor. And they checked my pressure and all of that stuff. It was still kind of high. It was like 140 something. And the why I ended up in the hospital was because they said when you sneeze, so anything brought on, if a sneeze or a cough bring on a headache like that, it could be that something got ruptured, a blood vessel or something. It could be a bleed that you have in your brain all of a sudden. So that's why they wanted to check me out. Got to the hospital and I ended up waiting like a good 7 hours before any scanning. I don't know if that has anything to do with the strike that's been going on, but it was a long wait. I met people there sleeping and everything on the chairs and whatnot, and it wasn't even full. But so yeah, did the scan, and then I was still in the hospital because I think they might have wanted to they wanted to kind of do further testing with my back. So they were gonna like do a lumbar puncture to like get fluids from my spine. Yeah, but then the consultant came not too long ago and he said, you know what, so after wasting my whole day, my whole 12 hours being in the hospital, they said I can go home. The CT scan came back fine. They didn't have to do the lumbar puncture. They won't put me through that because there's no bleed on the brain. So yeah, I was free to go, and that was that. So I'm here at Melissa's house now. Melissa went to Jamaica and she came back today. So, you know, so we're here pulled up at her house right now and about to go inside. I think she'll bring back some of Jamaica for me, or maybe the whole of Jamaica for me. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see. I'll catch up with you guys in a moment. But yes, thank the Lord, all is fine. I'm fine, and hopefully it stays that way. In the end, it was just a sinus type of headache, the diagnosis. Yeah. All right. Hello. He said it said they put me in bed. Oh, hello, Yanni. What's going on? Welcome back to the UK. How was Jamaica? Ooh. Huh? Wow. Yeah, look at my attire. Hello, baby. Did you miss me? Hello. So, where in the car. The more they're eating. Oh my gosh. Yes, look at all these nice things my friend bring back from foreign for me. Where she be? Yeah, thank you so much, Melissa. Thank you so much. Look at all this stuff. Melissa, did she get cheese bread? Did she get cheese? Oh my gosh, she got the cheese bread though. Oh crap, I don't want to spill this juice now. Oh my gosh, these come straight from ya. Look at this. Oh, this light on? Yeah. Oh wow, cheese bread look different. This is not the cheese bread I know from like 13 years ago. Wow. Is it? It used to come in a different kind of package. Yeah. Prestige donuts, but I ain't seen no donuts in there for me though. Where my donut? Come on, you know donut. Let me eat the donuts before I got here. So these two are my favorite mangoes. We got Julie and we got East Indian. But so who these mangoes for? Because I hope one of these, I hope these for me. And this look like a black mango. Is this black mango?
Blackie, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I haven't seen Blackie in years. They're proper ripe. So we got 3 Blackies, East Indian, and a Julie. This is what I'm giving in Jamaica now for a bag, apparently. What is it? What's the thing called? It's not, it's, I don't even know. So they don't do the plastic thing in Jamaica, Melissa say. I guess the plastic thing done all over then, except America. Because I show them still over there giving away plastic. It feel like it's strong though. It's strong. Yeah, it's better than a paper bag. Because when we went Gibraltar, it's paper bags and let's give, which could like give way. So this kind of a lot stronger, to be honest. Wow. What you like? Feel this? Oh my gosh.
Just for Ariel.
7 dozen patties. This is 80 something patties. This is ridiculous. Jamaica allow people to travel like this out of Jamaica with the patties. I thought you, because I want one how you gonna fit them in the box. Oh, did you ask?
Juicy.
Oh, this is juicy beef? Oh, yeah. Oh, you got juicy beef.
Oh, yeah.
I love juicy beef is better, ain't it? I love juicy beef.
Juicy beef tastes better than tasty.
Which patties y'all like? Juicy, tasty, or mothers if you're from Jamaica? I love juicy patties. My big friend bring back juicy beef. I haven't had juicy beef in so many years. That's so crazy. But you should tell me bring up. You should tell me bring a bag. 5, 6. So which one you went to find these? People went out of their way to find these. My auntie went out of the way to find these cheese bread for me. Oh, this is so nice. Which part the thing is,
You said it sounds nice?
Yeah, I could feel. Where she said it? Where she said the jackfruit is?
Yeah.
I know she said she did jackfruit. She said there's jackfruit, but where she put the jackfruit? I know she bring back jackfruit. Look at this. My girl went back and bring back pimento. So long I see all these seasonings I used to use back home in Jamaica. Melissa, this curry powder. Wow, she really bring back the whole of Jamaica. 10, 11, 12. Ooh, but you know extra, but you can't try a little extra. Behave. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you how many years it's been since I had a patty. Original patty. From juicy beef. It's hot. The patties over here, you see like how this is very thin crust. The patties, the Jamaican patties over here, it's a lot thicker, so you don't get this what do you call it, shelly, like crusty that dropping off. So this is more buttery then, so it's more butter. Guys, you can see the bag oil.
Better put that on camera, because pay food to see a chat.
It's cool. Sean, when you compare this patty to the Jamaican patties we get here, it's completely different.
In what term?
This getting more beef. The texture is a lot nicer. It's flaky and nice. It's the flakiness. We don't get that with the patty here. Yeah, it's not flaky.
You that, but not about because you don't have enough.
No, because I realize I'm biting it And I realized there's a lot more beef that's coming out. This is true. When you bite it, the beef is actually there. The pat is lacking beef over here. It's true. It's true, Sean. And maybe because this pat is so thin, so when you bite it, it immediately burn you. I don't know. Big up Melissa for this. Wow. It's always nice to get a piece of home, you know, y'all. Y'all know me. Like Sean, why Sean looking at me? From here, I bet they come out of my kitchen, you know. Sean looking at me like. We have gizzardo. Sean, you actually thought I would not edit that out, you know. Sean, I'm keeping this in the vlog. Just saying, look, you're nasty. We have gizzardo. We have grata cake, and we have peanut cake, right, Sean? A peanut cake or peanut drops? What do you call it? Whatever it is. I don't know how much was for this. I should ask Melissa. How much is for a bag of this? Because I don't know nothing about prices nowadays. And then we have cheese bread. I'll show you guys this earlier. But I can't wait to get into this. I'm going to go into it tomorrow. Yummy.
Cheese bread that what we used to have.
I was saying that.
I never yummy. No.
Oh, okay, because I was saying the packaging looked different. It's different from what I know it as, but yeah, but I'm saying apparently cheese bread is hard to find. And I got 2 June plum. My friend brought me back 2 June plum to try. And I have all of the patty them in here, a dozen patties. So I need to put them in some Ziploc bag. She brought back cane as well. It's so funny. Toothbrush. He's real hard toothbrush. You know how long I haven't seen a toothbrush like this in a package like this. And this one says but look now, Melissa, give me the blue one. Look what the blue one says, Sean. Smokers, extra hard texture.
Jesus Christ. That's a steal.
I never know say it's extra hard, because this one say hard and this one say extra hard.
This that are gonna be like wire brush.
May I give this one to you, babe?
What may I do with that?
I don't want extra hard, though.
What may I do with that?
Now you say you want hard toothbrush, Sean.
I don't want soft. I want medium. But this is hard and extra hard.
So you want me to get the extra hard? Anyways, Sean get a bad man rag too that he gonna put in his back pocket. I can't wait to taste the cane.
Then you taste it then?
No, I eat my patty first and then yeah, I might take a bite of the cane tomorrow. So yeah, anyways, let me finish eat my patty. I need to go and shower and all that stuff. Y'all know I've been out at hospital and stuff like that, so I'm gonna finish eat this patty. How's the patty, babe? You been talking because a long time you had original jam, or did you? Oh yeah, people, you don't get patty all the time. It not taste like Taste Right patty though. Huh? It tastes like Taste Right patty. No. Taste Right patty don't taste like that. How does it feel? Because a juicy beef. No, I love Taste Right patty, isn't it? It's nice. But this is juicy beef. How does it feel? Juicy beef or tasty? This is juicy beef.
This is good patty, man.
Yeah, this is juicy beef.
Mine's patty as usual.
She was gonna go to Tasties, but juicy beef is actually, to me, juicy beef is the best patty. To me, it's always been my favorite. I always preferred it over Tasty. But yeah, we ain't gonna debate that though. Whatever. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Alright. Yes. It's nice and sunny. Today's Sunday the 30th of April. I'm gonna try and get this vlog out to you guys on Wednesday. Yeah, so you should be watching this on Wednesday or Friday. Yeah, so I woke up probably like an hour ago and I was trying to do some editing. I'm about to go and give River some Cerelac because this is what we do. I was thinking about doing a routine with you guys on what a typical day in my life looks like, you know, like a weekday, like just being like in that stay-at-home mom role with Sean at work and everything, and just, you know, exactly what I do now, because you know routine changes as the time go by. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go and make River's bottle, and I'm actually going to finish filming my self-care weekend vlog. Because yesterday I was supposed to wrap that up yesterday, but because I was admitted in the hospital yesterday, I did not get to do anything, so I didn't get to do my nails yesterday. I didn't go and get to do my eyebrows because I had an appointment and everything. Yeah, which ended up just getting cancelled basically, just because of how long I was in hospital for. Like, was I in hospital for 13 hours? Yeah, 13 hours I was in there for, and it would have been possibly longer. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I didn't have to do that lumbar puncture, because I don't like people, I don't like nothing doing like anything to do with my spine, needles, big needles, and oh my gosh, I don't know. Just thank God that everything is okay. Yeah, it would have been nice though to kind of get to the bottom of why I actually do get migraines though, because for years I've suffered with migraines. But what I noticed is that when I was pregnant with River, the migraine didn't I wasn't affected by migraines. So it makes me wonder if it has anything to do with my diet, or I don't know, or the fact that I used to be obsessed with water. I used to drink so much water when I was pregnant because I was always hot. So I don't know if it has anything to do with that, why I always used to get these headaches. So, you know, if they were gonna do the lumbar puncture to even find out what's up, like to get the fluids and run their tests and stuff, I mean, I would have been happy with that. But anyways, happy to still be somewhat, you know, healthy and whatever, no bleeding on the brain, because that scared me yesterday when I was speaking to the doctor and telling him, like, you know, I've been here since after 4 this morning, and he's like, how did you end up here, like what's going on, like, 'cause you know, they asked, why are you here, blah blah blah, and I was like, you know, like, I came here by ambulance. And you think ambulance and you're like, what? Because obviously the urgency was not there, like, to be rushed. But I mean, they're the ones that came to me. I didn't call them, so they're the ones that sent out an ambulance to come here and assess me and stuff like that. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go and finish up, make River's bottle, make his Cerelac. Yeah, it's 8:24, so this is the time. Normally it's the weekend anyway, it's Sunday, but this is the time we would normally kind of get home from dropping ShéKayla from school and all of that, and then I give him Cerelac, or else he gets porridge. So either get like a bottle of Cerelac or I make him a bowl of porridge. So he's gonna get Cerelac, but he feeds himself. So yes. So yeah, hopefully you guys would have watched my little cooking vlog, because that's what I got up very early to do this morning, to finish editing that video so it can be up today, which is Sunday, up and running for you guys, because I'm going to get my nails done today and I need to go and do all of my self-care right now, which you guys will see next weekend. So yeah, anyways, blessings to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you guys always, and see you in the next one. Bye.